Welcome to Music with Mrs. Avery. Hello everyone, it's time to warm up, so stand up please. There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh, B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, clap your hands, ready, go. Over the next few weeks, we are going to start learning how to read music, and we are going to be playing many instruments along the way. Now, don't worry if you are at home, because you are going to be able to choose objects at home and play along with us. But before we can even get started on that, we have to understand what we are looking at when we are reading music. So we are going to go over a few music symbols today so that when it's time for us to pick up our instrument and play, we know what to do and how to do it. First is this rectangle. This rectangle is called a measure. Can you say measure? Music is divided into measures. And you can see that we have several measures in this song. Now, in this measure, you see that there are 4 sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. A sound is called a note. And in the songs that we are going to be playing, each note will get 1 beat. So let's look at that again. Here's a measure and it has 4 sounds in it. Each sound is called a note, and each note will get 1 beat. This music symbol here is called a time signature. Can you say time signature? And a time signature is a very important music symbol because it tells us how many beats will be in each measure. And we always look at the very top number to tell us. So if we look time signature, 4/quarter note. So remember, we're going to look at that top number, and we can see that it's a 4, which means there will be 4 beats in each measure. Now, we can check that by looking in each measure and counting the notes. Let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4. Were there 4 beats? Yes. Let's check measure 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 beats again. So let's review what we have learned so far. Each rectangle is called a measure. Now let's look at our entire song. Can you help me count the measures? Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There are 16 measures in our song. And remember, our time signature, say time signature, tells us how many beats are in each measure. We know that there will be 4 beats, that's right. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great, so we see that there are 4 beats in each measure. Now, the last music symbols we have to go over are the symbols for our instruments. We will play an instrument for 1 beat each time we see its picture. This music symbol stands for the triangle. We know about the triangle, so we will tap the triangle once for each symbol. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this measure, our triangle would tap 4 times. Let's look at this music symbol. It's a circle with these little lines through it. This symbol stands for our tambourine. The X stands for our claves. Can you say claves? Great. So when we see these X's, we will know to play the claves. And our last symbol is for the drum. So when we see our drum symbol, we know that we will tap our drum. So let's review. Triangle, tambourine, claves, drum. Measure, time signature. For your activity in Seesaw, you are going to show me that you know what each of these music symbols are. That way, I will know that you are ready to play an instrument and start reading music. I can't wait to see your work. Thank you for joining me.